Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Session 3, part number 5. And in this session, we'll do an exercise, which is exercise number 3. I write some of the alphabets here, and your work is to connect them and write them in a connected format. You can see the answers at the end of this video, but before watching those answers, just write your own words. Okay, so then you can easily practice how your writing is going. Okay, so I write some of the alphabets here in a free form, and you need to connect them like this one: Jim, Alif, Noon. This is a one word. Next word would be with these alphabets: J, Noon, Alif. Next word would be with these alphabets: B, J, Alif, Noon, Alif. Okay, and next word has these alphabets: B, J, P, and Noon. These are the words. Okay, I pronounce their alphabets, so you need to write them in a connected format and also try to pronounce them. Okay, and at the end of this video you will see the connected forms of these words. As now I'm going to write their connected forms. So the first word, it has Jim, Alif and Noon alphabets. It is called Jan. Jan. Next word has J, Noon and Alif. It is called Chana. Chana. After that it's a word which has B, J, Alif, Noon and Alif, and it is called Bachna. Bachna. The last one, it has B, J, P, Noon, and this word is called Bachpan. Bachpan. Okay, now try to write all these again, pronounce them. So it's your practice, and this is the end. This is the end of this session. Wish you best of luck and take care. We'll meet in the next session. Till then, Allah Hafiz.